Welcome everyone to our channel, where today we're diving deep into the world of vehicle lighting upgrades. If you're looking to enhance your nighttime driving experience or just want to give your car a more modern look, upgrading to HID, high-intensity discharge lighting is one of the best moves you can make. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right kit. Fear not, because we've curated a list of the top 7 best HID kits on the market to make your vehicle's lighting upgrade a breeze. Let's get started. Number 1. D2SD2R Headlight Bulbs Combo Kit. D2SD2R Bulbs. The D2SD2R Headlight Bulbs Combo Kit is an exceptional choice for vehicle owners looking to enhance their night driving experience. This versatile kit accommodates both D2S and D2R bulb types, catering to a broad array of vehicles. The bulbs boast a sleek design, not just enhancing the vehicle's aesthetic but also its performance on the road. The white, bright light emitted by these bulbs surpasses the visibility offered by traditional halogen bulbs, ensuring safer driving conditions during the night. Crafted with durability in mind, these bulbs are designed to last, reducing the frequency of replacements. The installation process is straightforward, making it an accessible DIY project for car enthusiasts. This ease of installation, coupled with the improved nighttime visibility, positions the D2SD2R Headlight Bulbs Combo Kit as an essential upgrade for those seeking to enhance their vehicle's lighting system. Number 2. HiBalast Kit for various bulb types. Slim HID Ballast. The HID Ballast Kit for various bulb types stands out for its slim design and superior efficiency. Compatible with a multitude of HID bulb types, this kit is a testament to flexibility and convenience. The slim HID Ballast is engineered to fit snugly in tight spaces, making it suitable for virtually any vehicle model. Its construction is robust, ensuring that the ballast not only powers the HID bulbs effectively for maximum brightness, but also lasts long. Ease of use is a significant advantage of this ballast kit, designed for a plug-and-play installation that is user-friendly for novices and experts alike. The durability of this kit guarantees consistent and reliable performance, making it an invaluable upgrade for drivers seeking to improve their vehicle's HID lighting system. Overall, the HID Ballast Kit's versatility, durability, and ease of installation make it a top choice for enhancing vehicle lighting. Number 3. FGRSRZ Kid Bast Kit. Slim HID Ballast. Occupying the 3rd spot on our list, the FGRSRZ HiBalast Bast Kit offers a sleek and efficient solution for upgrading vehicle lighting. This kit features a universally compatible, slim HID ballast that not only enhances the vehicle's engine bay aesthetics but also delivers powerful lighting performance. The use of high-grade materials in its construction ensures the ballast's durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for drivers. Designed with simplicity in mind, the installation process is straightforward, empowering vehicle owners to confidently upgrade their lighting systems. The FGRSRZ ballast's ability to provide consistent, bright HID lighting transforms night driving, offering superior visibility and enhanced safety on the road. For those looking to improve their vehicle's lighting with a stylish, effective, and easy-to-install solution, the FGRSRZ HiBalast Kit is an excellent choice. Number 4. ArtSenon HiBist. Slim Zenan Ballast. In the realm of automotive lighting, the Xenon HiBalast secures its place at number 4 with its remarkable attributes. This slim Zenan ballast distinguishes itself with a design that is not only compact but also potent in output, catering specifically to vehicles that are equipped with Zenan HID lighting systems. The ingenuity of its sleek design is evident, simplifying the installation process and ensuring that it occupies minimal space within the vehicle's architecture. The hallmark of the Xenon HiBalast is its superior quality, which promises a dependable and enduring lighting solution for your vehicle. Moreover, this ballast boasts widespread compatibility with an array of Zenan HID bulbs, showcasing its versatility and making it an appealing choice for a broad spectrum of drivers. The resilience of the ballast is commendable, guaranteeing that your investment in enhancing your vehicle's lighting infrastructure is both wise and fruitful. The functionality and efficiency of this ballast are unparalleled, significantly improving the clarity and brightness of nighttime illumination. which, in turn, elevates driving safety and comfort during nocturnal journeys. Number 5. Toyota Lexus Xenon HiBalast. Zenan HiBalast. For aficionados of Toyota and Lexus, the Toyota Lexus Xenon HiBalast emerges as the fifth contender, tailored to harmonize with Toyota and Lexus automobiles flawlessly. This Xenon HiBalast is engineered to provide a seamless integration and performance enhancement, mirroring OEM quality without the accompanying premium expense. The Ballast design pays homage to the aesthetic and engineering standards of Toyota and Lexus, ensuring a flawless fit and superior functioning. It is evident that the craftsmanship of this Ballast is designed to surpass the benchmarks set by original equipment manufacturers. The utility of this Ballast is further amplified by its straightforward plug-and-play installation, making it an easily attainable upgrade for vehicle owners. The robustness and performance of this Ballast in delivering luminous and reliable lighting significantly augment the safety features and visual appeal of your Toyota or Lexus, making it a stellar choice for those looking to enhance their vehicle's capabilities. Number 6. Sprite LED Headlight Canbus Harness. LED Canbus Harness. Diverging momentarily from HID systems, the sixth spot is occupied by the Xprite LED Headlight Canbus Harness. This LED Canbus harness is ingeniously designed to address the common dilemma of error notifications following an upgrade to LED lighting. The harness is conceptualized with simplicity and efficiency in mind, ensuring compatibility between your LED headlights and the vehicle's electrical framework. The manufacturing quality of this harness is exceptional, employing robust materials that are capable of withstanding the electrical exigencies of LED lights. The ease of installation is a significant advantage, eliminating the need for any modifications to the vehicle's original wiring, thereby preserving its integrity. The durability of the Xprite Canbus harness is noteworthy, ensuring that your transition to LED lighting remains steadfast and devoid of errors over time. Its efficacy in obviating error messages and preventing flickering lights is indispensable for anyone considering an upgrade to LED headlights. Number 7. Headlights Kit. Slim HID Bast Kit. Concluding our list is the HID Headlights Kit, an all-encompassing solution that includes a slim HID ballast, epitomizing ease of installation and broad compatibility with various HID bulb types. The ballast's sleek design not only ensures a discreet fit within your vehicle, but also enhances its aesthetic, coupled with the provision of potent lighting. The excellence of this kit is manifest in each component, guaranteeing a superior upgrade to your vehicle's lighting system. The kit's user-friendliness is a standout feature, designed to facilitate a seamless installation process accessible to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The longevity of the kit's components assures that your investment in improving your vehicle's lighting is durable, providing reliable and intense illumination that significantly enhances nighttime driving safety. The transformative impact of this HID Headlights Kit on your vehicle's lighting efficacy is unparalleled, positioning it as the quintessential choice for individuals aiming to elevate their automotive lighting experience. In conclusion, upgrading your vehicle's lighting with an HID kit is a surefire way to improve visibility, safety, and the overall aesthetics of your car. Each of the kits we discussed today offers its own unique set of benefits, from sleek designs and high-quality components to easy installation and enhanced nighttime visibility. Remember, a brighter road is a safer road, so consider upgrading your vehicle's lighting today. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and guides. Safe driving, everyone.